Welcome, my dear students, to my channel So Easy Math. My dear students, today we will do model test paper of English class 8 term 1. Clear beta? Let us start. The question paper is of 40 marks. Time for question paper is 1 for 30 minutes. The question paper carries 40 questions. Each question consists of 1 mark. ठीक है जी. All questions are compulsory. Let us start. First question is section A, reading skill. Look at the following posture carefully and answer the questions 1 to 4 given below. देखो ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ? ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਪਲਾਸਟਿਕ ਡੈਬਰੀਜ਼. ठीक है, इसनों ध्यान नाल तुसी देख लेना. मैं तुहानू क्वेश्चंस करवानी है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज़ द पोस्टर अबाउट. पोस्टर किहदे बारे है ये? इट्स आंसर इज सी, रिड्यूसिंग प्लास्टिक वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट, विच मटीरियल शुड बी यूज्ड फॉर पैकेजिंग. आंसर ऑफ सेकंड इज डी, पेपर. थर्ड वन, what does enter waterways after washing clothes. Its answer is C, microfiber. Next, how much plastic debris floats on the surface. Its answer is A, above 2 lakh tons. Next one, read the dialogue and answer the questions 5 to 8 that follow. इस पैराग्राफ नू बेटा जी ध्यान नाल रीड कर लेना. ठीक है, मैं दे क्वेश्चन टिकल करवा रही हूँ तुहानू. सी दिस पैराग्राफ. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द कन्वर्सेशन अबाउट. इट्स आंसर इज ए, साइंस फेयर. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट वाज द यूज ऑफ डैम एज शोन बाय इट्स मॉडल. Answer of 6 is B, to generate electricity. Next, what was turning on and off by sound. Its answer is A, lights. Next, what was not there in the exhibition. The answer of 8 is C, mobile phones. Next, section B, textbook. Question 9. What were the features of Bell computer that were being advertised on TV? From chapter Value of Money. Answer of 9th is D, both B and C means the fastest processor, the high storage. Next, what did the mother drop along the way. Its answer is C, twigs. Next, what were the main points of Sant Ravidas teaching. Its answer is D, all of the above means all are equal in the eyes of God, all distinctions are meaningless, untouchability is a sin against humanity. ठीक है जी, its answer is D. Next, what did Harry ask for. Its answer is B, a big house and 10 cows. Next, why could the stag not cross the river. Its answer is A, because there was no boat. Next, when and where was Sant Ravidas born. Its answer is C, in 1377 in Banaras. Next, what is the meaning of word plight. Its answer is A, Durdasha. That is clear. Next, what is the meaning of word frailty. Its answer is D, kamjori. Next, who said these words and to whom. Give me more chores. Value of money from chapter. Its answer is A, the narrator to his father. Next, identify the underlined character in the given sentence. He अंडरलाइन कितना होया. लिसन एंड मेडिटेटर इन साइलेंस. इट्स आंसर इज सी, द डेस्पोटिक लीडर. Next, read the given stanza and answer the questions. इस पैराग्राफ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਰੀਡ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ। मैं ਇਹਦੇ आंसर्स करवा रही हाँ। फर्स्ट, नेम द पोएम एंड द पोइट। इट्स आंसर इज बी, एडगर ए गेस्ट। पोएम नेम इज डू नॉट क्विट। ठीक है, डू नॉट क्विट। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट शुड बी डन व्हेन थिंग्स सीम वर्स्ट। इट्स आंसर इज ए, वी शुड नॉट क्विट। नेक्स्ट, what are some single use plastic things that we buy and use? Its answer is D, all of the above: plastic bags, straws, water bottles. Next, what does another blow mean? Its answer is C, another effort. Next, what do we call a person who can speak many languages? Its answer is A, polyglot. Next, add the right prefix to the word patient. Its answer is C, impatient. ठीक है जी, 24th आंसर इज सी। दैट इज क्लियर। नेक्स्ट, माई मदर कुक्स डेलिशियस फूड। ए सेक्शंस डी, चूज द करेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट, 25th, माई मदर कुक्स डेलिशियस फूड। इट्स आंसर इज ए, मेरे माता जी स्वादी भोजन पकाउंदे हन। नेक्स्ट, समवन हैज़ कॉल्ड मी। इट्स आंसर इज बी, किसी ने मैनू बुलाया है। ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट, ओह बहुत मतलबी है। इट्स आंसर इज सी, ही इज़ वेरी शेलफिश। नेक्स्ट, पुलिस ने चोर नू नहीं फड़िया है। इट्स आंसर इज डी, द पुलिस हैज़ नॉट कैच द थीफ। Next, change the following exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. What a disaster the earthquake is. Its answer is B, the earthquake is a terrible disaster. Next, which part of speech does London belongs to? Its answer is A, noun. Next, fill in the blanks with a suited determiner. He takes dash interest in me. Its answer is B, all. Next, rewrite the following sentence after correcting it. Bias flows in Punjab. 32 answer is A, the bias flows in Punjab. Next, fill in the blanks with appropriate degree of adjective. 33 to 34. 33, Soumya is dash than Vijaya. Its answer is B, funnier. Next, the Taj is a dash building. 34 answer is beautiful, A. Next, fill in the given blank with appropriate non-finite form. You all dash up earlier. Its answer is B, to get. Next, you have lost a bag in your school. Answer the following questions according to the notice you would put up on notice board. 36 to 37 तक। 36 is what would you write in the notice? 36 answer is A, it has some books and important papers. Next, what details would you write in the end? Its answer is D, all of the above. Your name, your class, your roll number. Next, you have to write a letter to your friend to invite him on your brother's marriage. How would you start the body of the letter? Its answer is B. I am extremely happy to inform you. Next, you have to write an application to the principal of your school asking him/her for a school leaving certificate. Answer the following given questions accordingly. 39 to 40. What would you include in the application? Its answer is D. All of the above. Your reason for leaving the school, when you will leave the school, where you will take admission after leaving the school. Next, how would you greet the principal? Its answer is A. Respected sir/ma'am. That is clear. Thanks beta for watching this video.